If Jayalalitha's Poets Garden was considered as a White House of Tamil Nadu, her Kodanad estate was the Fort Knox, an impenetrable fort that is until she lived. Unfortunately, on 24th of 2017 April, there was a murder and an alleged attempt of heist at Kodanadu that shocked the entire state. In fact, 10 people were arrested in that case, and one of the security guards called Om Bahadur died during that heist. And of that 10 people, one of the prominent accused called Kanagraj died in an accident, and two people became prominent. That was Manoj and Sayan, because they tried to implicate various leaders from AIADMK, including the then Chief Minister Edapadi K. Parniswamy. However, things took a different turn with Sayan's family also meeting with an accident. He narrowly escaped, and what happened is that since then the case became subliminal. That is until DMK came to power, and it once again opened the Pandora's box, promising that further investigation will be conducted.
It is not a re-investigation, sir. It is only a further investigation. The accused himself has written to the honorable court, the trial court, and the court, I believe, has taken cognizance of the matter. And based on the inputs, the investigation is, the prosecution is now going for a further investigation. That's that.
Shocking many, the case once again took a turn as Manoj and Sayan, the prime accused in the case, went ahead and said that they are innocent. These are the two people who went over, gave several interviews to television saying what exactly happened on that fateful day, what happened to Om Bahadur, and why they went inside Kodanadu. They actually took a U-turn claiming that they are innocent.
What the prosecution has filed is totally different from the any facts whatever has been coming out.
What does the charge say?
Charge is not as accordingly what the facts which has been presently investigating by the police has been given in the charge sheet earlier. That is the reason further investigation is going on. Probably the original facts may be revealed after the investigation.
Are you saying that your client is innocent in this case?
Obviously.
He's not involved in the robbery or the murder?
Not as according to the charge which has been filed earlier.
And does he also believe that?
Obviously, it has to be.
The much bigger question in the hearts of the people of Tamil Nadu at that point was that if Manoj and Sayan were innocent, they also gave interviews for several hours in the form of confessing to their crimes. However, their counsels claim that whatever they have said in the form of television interviews or print interviews are not admissible in the court under the Evidence Act, and they are just disclosure statements and not confessions. We have so many videos of them coming forward and openly saying that they were involved in it.
I don't want to comment all those things, sir, because videos, paper news are not admissible before court of law, purely on the basis of provisions laid down in Indian Evidence Act. All press news, all press videos, all statement given before police are not admissible before court of law.
Even if the person confesses that they are involved in it?
Confession is not confession is not a correct word. It's a disclosure statement, not confession.
And so after 5 years since the robbery and murder at Kodanad Estate, Sashikala, who's also considered one of the owners of Kodanad Estate, is being questioned by Nilgiri's police right behind us in her home. And the important aspect here is that police believe that they could unravel what exactly happened inside Kodanadu on that fateful day, 24th April 2017. This is Divyan, Pramod, Madhav for India Today.